Going on a bike ride, me and my cousin. Going bike riding. Extreme bike riding. Shut up. Where are we going? Oh, it's bumpy. My camera is taped to my bike with some tape. Got duct tape. So I'm not gonna go super fast. Actually, I just did. Wanna go circle? Ignore the noise that that's just my chain hitting on the bumpy. Hitting on the plastic. I'm even up with my cousin. I'll even show you. And there she is. I'm not even up with her. Beep, beep, beep. Ah, she didn't know what that meant. No-handed. Wait. Look at this. No-handed. I kind of lost control. I wasn't going fast enough. You're pretty much bored, don't you? No-handed. Where's my cousin? Okay, she literally disappeared. Let's go find her. Probably texting right now. Please stop swearing. There she is. Oh, there you are. LOL, someone burped. Even be out at like 8:30. No. I'm just kidding, I don't really know. Well, this is Suburban. Swear. Hold on. What? What? Here you are. One more. Just one more go, then we're done. Okay, it's good. I'm waiting on you because you're on my track. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going pretty fast. Slowing down. Boom. Ew. I choked on. Ew.